In this video, I'm sharing the top reason why I started a recruiting agency. And while the reason may not surprise you, still stick around until the end because I guarantee you'll learn something new. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have a friend who decided to join our video today. This is Toon. Say hi, Toon. Say hi. Say hi. Anyway, say hi. So throughout this entire process of documenting my journey of starting a recruiting agency, I have always been transparent. And well, that's not going to change. So while there are a lot of reasons why I started my recruiting agency, the top reason why I chose to start one is, drumroll please, and you probably already know it, so, or you probably already guessed it, it's because it's profitable. There is a ton of money in recruiting, period. Whether you are in-house or on the agency side, from a salary perspective, there's a lot of money there. But if you're brave enough to actually venture out and start your own agency, then the possibility in terms of profitability for you is really endless. It's almost like you've hit the lottery. Well, maybe not as exciting as hitting the lottery, but there's still a lot of money in it. And I think the biggest selling point for me has always been that there really is no real cap on how much income I can produce. The more clients I take on, the more requisitions I take on, the more revenue I'm able to generate for my business. Now, taking a look at an article from fastcompany.com, in 2022, they state that it's pretty standard to charge between 15 and 20% of an employee's first year's salary. And keep in mind that this is just for one placement. Okay, so let's do some math. Let's say that you're working to fill a role that's $65,000 and the placement fee is 15%. So 65 times 15%. We're looking at $9,750 for that one placement. Now let's say that this company has 3 other requisitions or roles that they want you to fill. So a total of 4 positions. So we're going to do that number times 4. So now we're looking at $39,000. And let's say that you are just on top of your stuff and that's something that you can pull off on a monthly basis. If you're able to do that every single month, let's see what you'll actually get for the year. So that's going to be $468,000 that you're able to generate for your business every year if you're able to pull that off. Now, that's simple math, but it does go to show the power of how profitable this business actually can be. Now, if you are enjoying this video so far, then be sure to go down below if you haven't already and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my videos that drop weekly. Now, of course, recruiting in terms of getting clients and getting roles to fill is not going to be as steady or consistent as that example that I provided. Your business will definitely ebb and flow. I mean, think about the current environment or landscape that we're in right now. But no matter what that economic landscape looks like, it's important to drive home the point that hiring will never cease. There will always be attrition, turnover, layoffs, people hating their managers, people getting fired, and the list goes on and on. So with that said, just know that your services will always be needed. And remember that your services are only as good as the contract that you have in place. So if you have not downloaded my free contract template yet, then I will leave that link down below in the description box. Be sure to do that. It will help you get off on the right foot in terms of starting your recruiting agency and getting your first client. And remember, with all profit comes a lot of responsibility. You will go through a lot of mistakes as you work to get your business off the ground, and that's okay. Make sure that you find your guiding light or your North Star before you actually get into the weeds of things. For me, it was profitability, but maybe for you, it's something completely different. Whatever it is, let that always serve as your why, and I can assure you that success as well as profit will definitely come. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you have not subscribed to my Facebook group, then I will leave that link down below in the description box. Be sure to do that because we're in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.